how to stop a baby crying at night. So the little one is keeping you up at night? Don't worry, there are some handy things you can try to get your baby to stop crying. Firstly, try cuddling. Babies love to cuddle. Most of the time the baby is crying because it needs attention or feels alone. So cuddling most certainly will help. Secondly, you must consider feeding the baby. Babies cry when they need to be fed or are hungry. So grab that bottle. Next, you can try singing a lullaby. Babies find soft music very soothing. The right lullaby will put your baby right back to sleep. If that doesn't work, try walking with your baby. The motion and body contact will help in getting your baby to stop crying. White noise is your friend. A white noise machine can work to soothe your baby and get them to stop crying. Remember, you must have patience when it comes to raising young. Babies can be a handful, but with the right information and the right tools, your baby will stop crying. Remember, cuddle, feed, lullaby, and walk. These 4 steps are sure to work when done correctly. That is how you can stop a baby crying at night. If you found this content informative and educational, help grow this channel by dropping us a like. And do subscribe to Aninfo for more animated informative content.